much I like slime and stuff like that. Because, sometimes people don't like slime. Some people don't really like slime, and some people just hate slime so much. But the foot is like so bad. Anyone can play with slime. If they don't like slime, they don't have to play with slime. But if they do love slime, go ahead. And if they just worry about it, only I like slime and no one else loves slime. And then, no, that's not true. A lot of people love slime. Such slime. There's so much people love slime. And millions, trillions, billions. A lot of people love slime. I promise. Some people are just worried that they'll get they'll get bullied and so worried. But no, everybody loves slime. But some people, no, I don't want to. And some people do the different things. They just worry about them. Sometimes they don't do it. Like that. That's super okay. But a lot of people don't like slime too. And they just like that. I don't know all of you love slime or not. And you know what? Some boys are just like, you're a boy and like a man. Why would you play slime? And there's some blue slime coming to other people and saying like, no, slimes are so bad. When did I say it's bad? Never bad. It's super nice. Everybody can play slime. Any ages except for like 3. Sometimes they don't know how to like do that. Do not eat slime. However, whatever you do not eat slime. If you say no, say no. Stop. Because definitely you might die and you might choke. So like, do not eat slime. Everybody knows that. You gotta know it. Or like, no. And there's different slime textures. And there's so much slime textures. Some are for starters. I normally love Cloud Doll and Cloud Storm. Because they're like super cool and super fluffy. But some people like the same thing and different. It's fun. It's fun. Everybody loves it. It's Halloween. So I guess, what now? It's not slime day. It's Halloween. People thought, no. And I just want to say how I love slime. And I want to share with you. I know that's weird, but I just want to be nice to you. So, if you don't like slime, don't like slime. Other people love super much. And everybody get bullied for playing with slime. No. Anyone can play with slime. Just ignore them. They're having some wrong choices like that. No, that's not good. Anyone can play with slime. People think that's weird that some people play slime. Why do you think it's weird? Tell me. And I love ASMR. I love it. I really want to buy slime. Like Talisa Toloso. Talisa. Where's Talisa? Let's go to Talisa's channel. And let's go to her thing. So,